Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to do a quick little video of the Ryobi tire inflator. Now I've seen 1,000 videos of this stupid thing, and originally I was going to smash it and just take with a hammer and just smash it to a million pieces, but I decided to keep it because my old junker car, the two back tires constantly leak, and if I'm at work or something, this would be handy to have so I don't have to wait for somebody to come fill up the tires if they go all the way flat. And I'm just saying, oh, but fix a flat. I've done fix a flat. New tires, I'm cheap. It's a 4-cylinder, has 198,000 miles on it. I don't want to put any more money into it because it's going to go out pretty soon and we're just going to have to get a new car. So, let's unbox it real quick here. This is the P737 Power Inflator. Instructions. Oh, no. That's it. Wow, that's a lot bigger than it looks on the picture. I hate this tape. Love this, got my K-Bar TDI. Might do an EDC review on these knives. You ever seen these? These Tactical Defense Institute knives. These things are bad ass. They're so small and compact. Look at that. Perfect self-defense with it. Anyway, back to the tire inflator. So it does come with the accessories to fill up basketballs and inner tubes. It might be helpful. I mean, the kids decide to go sledding. I just have a feeling that it's just going to break. You know, it looks so cheap. Power inflator. Doesn't look like there's a on switch, like a hold down switch. So I think you would have to sit there and hold it down while the tire inflates. It says high pressure inflates to 0 to 150 pounds. Cordless convenience, blah blah blah. Grip zone, blah blah blah. Large diameter piston allows tire for fast inflating. 20-inch hose for onboard storage clips. 2-inch dial. Convenient onboard storage accessories. Just got 20-inch hose. Tool weighs 2.5 pounds. Doesn't say how many tires it can inflate or anything like that. I think I'm going to keep it. I don't think I'm going to smash it because this is going to be a two-for video. We're also going to do unboxing of the P411 Random Orbital 5-inch sander because I'm going to redo my workbenches and I need a good sander. So I figured I'd pick this up. This is only a couple dollars. The dust collector bag. Ooh, it even comes with 3 sanding discs. Alright. Instructions, garbage. This is actually my first cordless sander. I have a couple. I have one pneumatic sander for the air compressor. I have one corded sander. It's a Mastercraft from Menards. And I think that's it. So this is my first cordless sander. Let's plug it in, check it out. Clips right on the top. I mean the on button right here. Very cold. It's pretty sharp. This is hard plastic. This just kind of screws on here. Looking at 4 pounds, 1 ounce. Bare tool. 2 pounds 8 ounces. I know I was going to say 2 pounds of that is this battery. 1.9 for the battery. What's up? Get some new pads. Oh, that's nice. See if we can get this green paint off. Got a grip zone here, so you can grab it like this, or up here like that. It's actually a lot smoother and quieter than my electric one. Feels good. Let's check the dust collection. See if it actually works. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of dust in there. Can't really see it too well. A little bit. There is no variable speed on this one, like my electric one. You got the the turn wheel where you can go from 1 to 6. This is just on or off. P411. See, this is why I like Ryobi. If it sucks, you don't like it. Where's I just see that picture? Right here. 90 days, no questions asked. Return if you have the packaging. If you don't like it, it sucks. You dropped it, you broke it, doesn't matter. 90 days, they return it no matter what. Let's go to a quick shot of me filling up the car tire with this. Now, in the manual it says you're supposed to operate this 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off. I really don't give a shit about that. It's $20, I blow it up, blow it up. Let's drain it one more time and just see. Right at 20. It was right on the line at 20. You see that? Yeah. Okay, let's hook it up, see what it says. The gauge reads above 20, so it's a couple PSIs off. All right, ready, set, go. It's just above the 40. Let's take it off and check it. Perfect. So it's just right at. So, hope you like that. Leave a comment, smash that like button. Come on, guys. I can't believe all the new support I'm getting. I think I got 20 new subscribers yesterday when I posted that video, and it's already up to 2,000 views, so thank you. You guys are awesome. If I can get up to 1,000 subscribers in the next couple months, I'm going to do some sort of tool giveaway. It'll be some like impact driver or something good, something cool. So please subscribe, guys. Appreciate it. And gals. Let's see what else. I think that's it. So, until next time, see ya!